Recording.
Ta-da! Here's the shirt. This is part 2.
Part 2 to our awesome video.
Part
Oh, almost there.
Oh my god.
I love it.
Let me turn the light on.
Oh my god, I didn't tell you, right? Oh. So yesterday I was... What?
Yeah, behind it.
What?
Never mind.
No, I was gonna... Now I'm so confused.
Anywho.
No, yesterday I was going...
Ew, it
to...
smells.
That's me, and that's your Hollister stuff.
I don't want to spray it. Whoa. Where'd it go?
It's gonna be like a hat thing. I don't like it. It's just too strong at first.
Hey, Miguel. You're cool.
Give it. Oh, I can do that. Oh my god. Where's the cell phone? I'm balancing it on my head. Let's see if we can have a repeat. Oh. Boyfriend. Yours.
Shut up.
I mean, your friend. That's what I do. Please. It said missed call. Haha.
No, I didn't.
No, like you're. He's so stupid.
No, I am. Did anyone answer?
No, be like no. Like, what did the voicemail say? I thought that was your voice recorder. I didn't know I called him.
Me either. What the heck?
I'm putting on these socks. They're awesome socks. I want my striped socks, but they're at home. I should have brought them. My Rockstar's in the car! Want to run out and get them?
No.
Why?
Hot.
We'll sneak out. They won't even notice me.
Lazy. You know what I should wear?
What?
Taylor.
On camera?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Over your shirt?
Yeah.
You're gonna look like a retard.
No, with no shirt, just this.
Then that'd be better. Like on, well, oh yeah, you'd be kind of sweaty. But like, you're gonna look stupid.
How bad is it? Yeah, this
No, let the video people see. They probably won't
I don't
see.
think they want to see. Me and my swimsuit. Doesn't fit.
Is he still out playing basketball?
I
What a loser. A Rockstar. Right in there. I'm going to get it. Look at my socks. Courtney socks. Awesome. Stop it. Here. Take your camera. I'm going to sneak down and get Rockstar.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Because then they're going to make you go home.
No, they don't. Ready?
Looks like I'm wearing a bra.
You can see mine.
I can. Let's take my bikini off. Should I or should I not?
You should. Where's that really cute shirt? That I love.
The gray one?
Yeah.
I put it away.
Why?
Because I said so.
It looks so cute. Except cut it.
Wow.
Hey, you cut it. You know, right? That doesn't happen often. I'm so confused.
I have that song, La La Land. There's no voice now.
Oh, good. Then I did save it as a voice recording. What?
You look like a hugger.
No, I don't. Now, when this is longer, I will. Dude.
You're lucky that we have the same size clothes. Or I would cheat
I'm
you.
lucky that I'm not fat. I hate fat people.
Hey!
No offense, fat people watching.
Fat people in my life.
Cough will. No.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah.
That's what Lizzie did when I was slow dancing with. Ow!
Like that?
Yeah, with, I think it was Patrick, or it was Nick, I don't know.
No, don't put my hair on.
Why? No, it's not. And I was dancing, all of a sudden she's like, ow! Kind of like that. With her heel.
Ooh.
I was like, ow. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
No.
Yeah. No. Oh, right. We're putting this on Facebook? too.
We are.
Good.
Yeah,
Ooh, what's this?
I don't know. Came with my phone. But I never really touched it.
Ready? Me and Courtney, look at this shirt. It's so beautiful. Shirt. Hold on. Oh, shirt.
It's upside down.
Oh, there. I'm not seeing you. Here,
Like-
take it. We're going to sneak down. And we are going to rock that.
So we will be right back.
No, we're recording. It's cool. Oh, start a new video. Bye.
Bye.